Another day, another story. To become a topper or achieve outstanding academic performance, there are several strategies you can follow. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Set clear goals. Define your goals and objectives clearly. Determine the subjects or areas in which you want to excel. 2. Develop a study schedule. Create a study schedule that allocates dedicated time for each subject. Follow the schedule consistently to ensure you cover all the necessary topics. 3. Organize your study materials. Keep your study materials well organized. Arrange your notes, textbooks, and other resources in a systematic manner so that you can easily access them when needed. 4. Understand the syllabus. Have a thorough understanding of the syllabus or curriculum. Be aware of the specific topics and concepts that will be covered in your exams. 5. Active learning. Instead of passively reading or memorizing information, engage in active learning techniques. These may include summarizing concepts in your own words, teaching others, solving practice questions, and participating in group discussions. 6. Seek clarification. If you encounter any doubts or confusion, don't hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers, classmates, or online resources. Understanding concepts clearly is crucial for long-term retention. 7. Practice regularly. Regular practice is key to achieving excellence. Solve sample papers, previous year's question papers, and additional practice exercises to enhance your understanding and problem-solving skills. 8. Time management. Learn to manage your time effectively. Prioritize your tasks, set deadlines, and avoid procrastination. Breaking your study sessions into smaller, focused intervals can improve productivity. 9. Take care of your health. A healthy body and mind contribute to better academic performance. Get sufficient sleep, eat balanced meals, and engage in physical activities or exercises to stay refreshed and focused. 10. Review and revise. Regularly review and revise the topics you have covered. This helps reinforce your learning and improves long-term retention. 11. Stay motivated. Keep yourself motivated throughout your academic journey. Celebrate small achievements, reward yourself for reaching milestones, and maintain a positive mindset. Remember, academic success is not just about grades but also about holistic growth and learning. Focus on understanding concepts, developing critical thinking skills, and nurturing a genuine interest in the subjects you study. Thanks for watching.